Martin Luther King Jr., one of the most influential figures in American history, dedicated his life to the pursuit of civil rights and social justice. His unwavering commitment to nonviolent activism, his powerful speeches, and his leadership in the civil rights movement transformed the United States and inspired people around the world. In this essay, we will explore Martin Luther King Jr.'s contributions to the American civil rights movement, his impact on legislation and social change, and his enduring legacy. Early life and education. Martin Luther King Jr. was born on January 15, 1929, in Atlanta, Georgia. Raised in a middle-class family, he excelled academically and showed early signs of leadership and activism. King's parents instilled in him the values of equality, justice, and Christian faith, which would shape his worldview and guide his actions. King attended Morehouse College, where he studied sociology and was exposed to the teachings of Mahatma Gandhi, who advocated for nonviolent resistance. He later earned a divinity degree from Crozer Theological Seminary and a doctorate in systematic theology from Boston University. Montgomery bus boycott. One of the defining moments of Martin Luther King Jr.'s activism was his leadership in the Montgomery bus boycott in 1955. The boycott was organized in response to the arrest of Rosa Parks, who refused to give up her seat on a segregated bus. King's role as the spokesperson for the Montgomery Improvement Association and his advocacy for nonviolent resistance brought national attention to the civil rights movement. The success of the boycott, which lasted for over a year, led to a Supreme Court ruling that declared segregation on buses unconstitutional, marking a significant victory for the civil rights movement. Southern Christian Leadership Conference, SCLC. In 1957, Martin Luther King Jr. founded the Southern Christian Leadership Conference, SCLC, an organization dedicated to promoting civil rights through nonviolent means. The SCLC played a crucial role in organizing protests, marches, and voter registration drives across the South. King's philosophy of nonviolent resistance, influenced by Gandhi's principles of satyagraha, emphasized love, peace, and the power of moral persuasion. His commitment to nonviolence became a guiding principle of the civil rights movement and inspired countless individuals to join the struggle for equality. March on Washington and "I Have a Dream" speech. One of the most iconic moments in American history occurred on August 28, 1963, when Martin Luther King Jr. delivered his famous "I Have a Dream" speech during the March on Washington for Jobs and Freedom. Addressing a crowd of hundreds of thousands, King called for racial equality, an end to segregation, and the fulfillment of the nation's promises of freedom and justice for all. The "I Have a Dream" speech resonated deeply with people across the country and around the world, encapsulating the hopes and aspirations of the civil rights movement. It became a rallying cry for justice and equality, and its powerful imagery and message continue to inspire generations. Civil Rights Act of 1964 and Voting Rights Act of 1965. Martin Luther King Jr.'s tireless efforts and the growing momentum of the civil rights movement led to significant legislative victories. The Civil Rights Act of 1964, signed into law by President Lyndon B. Johnson, outlawed discrimination based on race, color, religion, sex, or national origin. The Voting Rights Act of 1965, another landmark achievement, aimed to overcome racial barriers to voting. It prohibited racial discrimination in voting practices and enabled federal oversight of election procedures in areas with a history of voter suppression. Selma to Montgomery March. In 1965, King and other civil rights leaders organized the Selma to Montgomery March to demand equal voting rights for African Americans. The peaceful marchers faced violent opposition from state and local authorities, but their courage and determination brought national attention to the ongoing struggle for civil rights. The march ultimately led to the passage of the Voting Rights Act, further solidifying King's role as a key figure in shaping national legislation and policy. Poor People's Campaign and opposition to the Vietnam War. Towards the end of his life, Martin Luther King Jr. expanded his focus beyond civil rights and advocated for economic justice. He launched the Poor People's Campaign, which aimed to address poverty and inequality in America. The campaign sought to bring attention to issues such as unemployment, housing, and education, emphasizing the need for economic reforms to uplift disadvantaged communities. King also spoke out against the Vietnam War, linking the struggle for civil rights with the fight against militarism and imperialism. His opposition to the war was met with criticism and controversy, but he remained steadfast in his belief that peace and justice were inseparable. Assassination and legacy. Tragically, Martin Luther King Jr.'s life was cut short when he was assassinated on April 4, 1968, in Memphis, Tennessee. His death shocked the nation and sparked outrage and grief among people who had been inspired by his leadership. King's legacy, however, continues to resonate. His contributions to the civil rights movement and his unwavering commitment to justice and equality have had a lasting impact. His advocacy for nonviolence, his emphasis on the power of love and understanding, and his ability to inspire and mobilize people have left an indelible mark on American society. The work of Martin Luther King Jr. paved the way for significant legislative achievements and social progress. His leadership and the efforts of the civil rights movement led to the desegregation of schools, public facilities, and housing. They also inspired the passage of the Fair Housing Act of 1968, which prohibited discrimination in housing based on race, color, religion, sex, or national origin. King's influence extended beyond the United States, inspiring activists and movements around the world. His message of equality, justice, and nonviolence resonated with individuals fighting against racial discrimination and oppression in countries across the globe. Martin Luther King Jr.'s teachings and philosophy remain relevant and impactful today. His call for equality, social justice, and nonviolent resistance continues to inspire individuals and communities striving for a more inclusive and just society. King's vision of a beloved community, where people are judged by the content of their character rather than the color of their skin, remains an aspirational goal for society. His work reminds us of the ongoing need to confront and address systemic racism, inequality, and injustice. In conclusion, Martin Luther King Jr.'s contributions to the American civil rights movement, his impact on legislation and social change, and his enduring legacy are immeasurable. His leadership, advocacy for nonviolent resistance, and unwavering commitment to justice and equality continue to inspire generations of individuals striving for a better world. Through his words and actions, King demonstrated the transformative power of love, compassion, and the pursuit of a more just society. His legacy serves as a reminder of the ongoing work needed to achieve equality and social justice for all.